I'm Theo and I'm well excited about today's recipe. We're going to be cooking on these big whopping skewers some slow cooked chicken thighs, and with it I've got some lovely pork belly cut into big chunks on the bone, and all of that is going to go with a beautiful Asian slaw that you can whip up in 5 minutes. So that's our chicken thighs done, skewered, and we're just going to stick this straight onto the barbecue, no olive oil needed, and just let them turn. Here we go. For the pork belly, we've got these beautiful bits of pork belly chunks. To this, I've just got some tamarind sauce. Let's just drizzle that over our pork. So we're going to skewer our pork belly, and we've got these great little chicken hooks that you can get with the barbecues as well. And so they move up and down, they're really sharp, but they're really good for holding on pieces of meat. Done, that's our pork belly finished. So let's pop this on the barbecue. So one of the things I love about these barbecues is you can adjust the temperature and the heat by moving the whole thing up and down. Right, so now we're going to make our really quick Asian slaw. And that is our beautiful Asian slaw. 5 minutes. So the chicken and pork have been cooking for about an hour and a half. Let's go take a look. And what's really cool about the barbecues, because they're rotisserie and they're turning, it's self-basting. So to give you an example, we'll turn the motor off and you can see how much juice is dripping out of these straight away. I've been looking forward to this. Delicious. Let's get a plate made up.